Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about how to make money from Binance through sports trading. Okay, now there are a whole lot of ways that people are actually making money in the crypto space through Binance, but one of the easiest ways that I've found out is through spot trading. So today I'm going to be taking you directly into the process of how to earn at least $20 to $50 every day from sports trading. Okay, now the amount of money you're going to be earning on sports trading is basically it actually depends on the funds, okay, your capital which you are using to trade on the Binance sports trading. Okay, so without wasting your time, I'm going to go straight to this video. Now this is my tutorial account on Binance. Okay, so you can see here I have $50 worth of USDT here. Okay, so first and foremost, for you to get started, you need to come down here where it says trade. You can see trade here, then you just click on this trade. Okay, so the meaning of this sports trading is just like you holding onto a particular coin. Okay, now you hold onto that coin, then as soon as that coin appreciates, you're going to start making profit. Okay, the difference to your capital is what is going to be your profit. Okay, so let's get started. First and foremost, you need to make sure that you have your coin on your spot wallet. Okay, you can see up here, this is spot wallet. Okay, make sure your coin, if I come down here to my wallet here, if I click this wallet here, you can see here now, if I click on this wallet here, okay, you can see my USDT here. Okay, so this USDT is on the spot wallet. Okay, so let's go back to the trade here now. So here on this trade, you need to find a particular coin that you think will appreciate in price or you think will depreciate in price. Okay, so it's either you are buying that particular coin or you are selling that particular coin. Okay, so now that is where analysis comes into place. Okay, I'm going to click on this icon here now. Okay, so if you check up here, you can see this burger. If I want to trade this burger now, it means I'm going to be buying this burger with USDT. Okay, so if I click this burger, this icon here now, it's going to bring me here. So you're going to see different coins. You can see different token here, okay, that you can buy. So you can see them all here, right? You can see 1 inch, you can see AVE, you can see ACA, you can see ACH, you can see ACM. Now, for you to now know which coin you think is okay for you to buy, you can check here. You can see some of those coins are already doing 5x. Some are doing 3x. You can see this one doing 10x. Ada has been doing very, very well. You can see this one doing 3x. I will not advise you to go and buy a coin that is doing 10x already. Okay, let's click on this ADA. Let's see. So if I click on this ADA here now, okay, it's going to bring us here. Now, for you to see the charts or to see the movement of ADA, you need to come up here. Then you click on this icon here. When you click on this icon, it's going to take you to the market analysis here. Okay, so you can see here. You can see the market analysis here, right? So now it now depends on you to make your own market analysis. For me personally, I actually use TradingView to do my markets plotting. Okay, my trend line, my horizontal line, and all those things. I actually do it on TradingView. Okay, but even if you don't want to do it on TradingView, you can still do it here. Okay, you can see that this and I always advise people to use the 4 hours time frame or the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so here you can change your time frame. For me personally, I do use the 4 hour time frame, but if you want to use the daily time frame, you can click on this daily time frame here and see. You can see this coin is coming down to this resistance. You can see this coin actually went up, down up here. It came up here, right? Then it now started coming back to this support again. You see, it met this resistance up here and it's coming back to this support. You see, if you want to do spot trading, one thing I will always advise you is this. Personally, that I'm just telling you my own strategy. I always look out for buy, because we are not actually looking for cryptocurrency to go down. Okay, so for that reason, if you always take the trade, if you always go into spot trading of buy, you are certain that even if you go into loss, okay, like the trade now goes down, you are certain that at a point the trade is still going to go up. Okay, so that is why I always encourage you, if you want to do spot trading, always look out for buy. So I always do buy. So you can see this trade, this ADA, it actually met a resistance up here and it's back to this support area. Okay, so if I'm going to be buying any, if I'm going to be making any trade, spot trade on this particular one, I'm going to be looking for buy here. Okay, so I'm going to click on buy here, right? So this is just for ADA, but you can still look out for any other particular coin. Okay, let's look out for another particular coin. Let's look out for this. Okay, this algo. Is another good coin. Algo is another good coin. Okay, let's come up here, click on this button here. It's going to take us to the market. You can see this one also now. Okay, you can see it's coming down to this support. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Yes, you can see it's coming down to this support, support also. So if I'm going to be making any trade here, it has to be buy. Okay, it has to be buy. So like I rightly say, you can actually do your market analysis right on Binance here. But if you want to get it I want to get it very right, I will advise you to use either TradingView or any other external market analysis tool, right? So you can also wait for this market to come down to support here. If it gets down to this support here, you can buy. Or even if you buy here and it comes down here, you are still very sure that at a point it's still going to go up, right? You're still sure it's going to go up. But I will not advise you to sell, because if you sell, this is cryptocurrency. We are all hopefully that it's going to peak. You know, right now, the bull is actually taking place gradually in the crypto space. So I always advise you to take a buy. So let's assume we want to buy this algo now. Okay, we're just going to come down here. I'm going to click on buy here. Okay, remember we're going to be buying and holding the coin, right? So when you come up here now, remember I want to buy the algo. So you can either use two markets. You can use either limits or you can use markets to buy this particular coin. Now, if you use limit, it means that you're going to be setting a buying limit for this particular trade. Okay. Now, if you use market, it means that you're going to be buying at the current market price, which is this. Okay. You can see Argo present market. The market price now is 0.25. Okay, 0.25 USDT. $0.25. Okay, so this is the current market price. Okay, so if you want to do that, then you have to come to market here and you put it on market here, right? If you put it on market here and you're going to be buying, it will be on this particular price. So let's assume you want to buy like presently for me now, you can say I have like 50 USDT here. Let's assume I want to buy this with half of my funds on Binance here. Okay, that will be 50%. So I'm going to click on this 50% here. Okay, so you see, if I click on this 50% now and I go ahead and buy algo, it means I'll be buying algo worth of 24.9 US dollar, right? But if I click on 100% here, okay, that means I'm going to be buying with my 49.9 USDT, which is $49.9. Okay, and I'm going to hold on onto this trade. I'm going to hold on onto this algo in my sports wallet. Okay, so as soon as it starts appreciating, this $49 can get to $100, it can get to $150, it can get to $200, it can get to $70. Okay, if it gets to any particular price and I feel I'm okay, I want to take profit, I can go ahead and convert it back to USDT or BUSD, okay, which are stable coin. Okay, so or let's assume you want to buy, you have a particular price in mind that you want to buy this particular algo. Okay, let's assume you want to buy, you don't want to buy it at this 0.2521. You can say, okay, I want to buy it at 0.25, okay, 0.2516. Okay, if you say you want to buy it at 0.2516, then you have to check here and check this 0.2156. So invariably what you are telling Binance is this: Binance, I'm not buying this this algo at 0.2524. So you're going to come here and click on limits. Then you choose this limit here. Okay, then you're going to come here and you tell Binance, I want to buy it at, when the price gets to 0.2520, Binance help me to buy this particular coin, which is algo. Okay, so you're going to come up here now. Okay, and you're going to click here and change the price to 0.521. Okay, you can see we are not buying it at this current market price again. You want to buy it at 0.521. Okay, then you're going to say, okay, I want to buy it with let's say $20. Okay, the $20 is going to give you this amount of algo. Okay, then you're going to click on this buy. Okay, so you can see the trade is done here now. You can see that this trade is done here. You can see the trade is done here, meaning that the trade has not been executed. This trade is waiting until it gets to this particular price that we have chosen, 0.2521, then it's going to execute this trade. Okay, and you're going to buy algo. Okay, and secondly, remember this particular method is applicable if you want to sell. If you, let's say you want to sell, okay, you follow this same process also. Okay, this too is actually market order. This is the price people are actually selling, and this is the price that people are actually buying. Okay, and also secondly, if we go to the market price now, this is the market price, right? So let's assume you want to buy this algo. So you want to buy worth of $20. Okay, if you want to buy worth of $20 and you don't want to wait, you want to buy instantly on this price, I'm just going to click on this buy now. So you see it says successful. Okay, so it means that this trade has gone successfully. If I go to my wallet, let's come click on this wallet here now. Down here you can see I have algo here now, right? You can see I have algo. So all I need to do now is just to hold on to this algo at this. You can see this is the price presently, 19, let's say approximately $20. I can say, okay, I want to sell this algo when it eventually gets to $50. This $19 gets to $50. Okay, then you can hold on to it until it gets to $50. When it gets to $50 and you want to sell it, you come back here, okay, and you go to this trade. You come down here, you see trade. You can see this trade. Just click on this trade. Then it brings you here. When it brings you here, you want to sell that your $19.9 that have increased up to $50 now. So you come here, you click on this sell. Okay, when you click on this sell now, right, you're going to come down here and you're going to click on 100%. Okay, then you click on this 100%. Then you're going to click on this sell. Okay, so when I click on this sell now, you're going to see that I'm going to sell this my algo and I'm going to get you USDT. Okay, so let's click on it. So you can see trade successful. Okay, so if I come back to my spot wallet here now, you see I don't have this algo. I've sold my algo now. Okay, so this one is just fraction, this one is just nothing. So you can see I don't have that algo, that $19 okay, that was here initially is no longer here, meaning I've sold it and you can see my money is back to USDT. Okay, you can see my money is back to USDT. Okay, so basically the thing is, this is for just for you to hold on onto your coin, hold on onto the coin that you bought. Okay, and whenever it appreciates, you sell. That is how guys are making money from cryptocurrency on the sports wallets side of trading. Okay, so this particular one now, I'm going to be canceling this. Okay, let me cancel this because it's of no use anymore. Okay, so it's a cancel. You see the order is not here. Okay, so I want to believe now you got the information, or you got the idea about how to hold coin on your crypto wallets, on the spot wallet. Okay, and how to make money from it. So you can either use, like I rightly said, you can either use the market price, or you can use the limit price, okay, to execute this order. Okay, so I want to believe you got value from this video. Now I want you to do me a favor by liking this video. Okay, go ahead and like this video, because I believe if you follow the step-by-step that I showed in this video, you're going to be making passive income in the crypto space through holding your coin on the spot wallet. Okay, gradually you begin to understand this method of making money on Binance. See, you just need to get started on how to do this. Gradually, before you know it, you become an expert on it and you start making money. Okay, I want to believe you got value, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel now. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, keep yourself, and bye bye.